This is a requested hair video for one of my subscribers. They asked me about a hairstyle I had in another video, which I put a picture up for you to see. This is how it all started. I just comb my hair like this. I put it in 3-strand twist and I just tuck it in. But this is how it starts, just like this, before I tuck it in like that. I'll show you. This is how I tuck it in. When I'm ready, I just pull them all out. And then I'll take the hair off. I have a pick and I just take them down. My hair was washed, dried, and then ironed out, and then I put it in 3-strand twist to protect it for as long as I need to until I'm ready to take it out. So today I'm taking it out. It's been like this for a while. So I'm going to take it out and then I'm going to show you how I created that look. Thanks for the request, and I'm able to do it for you. Take your time and take the hair out gently. Before I comb it out, I just want to get all the rest out. Now that all my hair is out, I take a little bit of grease, oil. This one is the jojoba oil. I'm going to rub everything in my hand just to warm it up. And then I just go through my hair before I comb it out. As you can see, I'm just massaging my hair because again, this has been braided for a while, so now I'm ready to comb it out. I'm going to comb it out. Take your time. A good scratch after your hair being in braids for a while always feels good. So don't be afraid to scratch, but don't be aggressive. You know what I mean? Be gentle with your hair. This is what the front looks like right now after I comb it out. This is all the little bit of shedding that I have. Now, take a look at the back because I have not combed it out yet. So the back still looks the same. So now I'm going to comb it out. This is the little bit of shedding I have from the back. In all, this is the shedding. And then I take my hands, my fingers, and I just pull a little bit out because I like it to be poof and puffy. Then I take a headband and I put it like this. I usually use a black headband. So I put the headband like this. So I put the headband in and I just keep going all the way through the hair again to just put it up. Remember, I do cut my own trim and cut my own hair. So I have a video on that, how to do it at home. So you see I have the shape this way and then like this. But it's because of how I trim my own hair. And this is what I do. Then if I don't want to wear the headband, I give it a little bit of time in there just to get this part of my hair flat. And I'll come back and show you when I take off the headband what it looks like. But this is what it looks like with the headband. Easy hairstyle. You can wear any color headband. Your hair will eventually just fall on it and change it. I have a lot of different color headband. I just happen to pick a black one and put that on. I'll be back to show you when I take out the headband what my hair looks like, okay? Now it's been like about 10 minutes since I have the headband on. I can leave it and my hair is still fine, but sometimes I like to take it out. So I go like this, I lift, I pull both sides and I lift. So I don't disturb my hair because I like the imprint that it leaves. And as you can see, I just fluff the hair back a little, very gently, because I don't want to take out the imprint. I don't want to disturb that. So I just pull it back and then I make sure I kind of pat my hair all around, make sure it is nice and in order. And this is it. This is what I get. I want to show you close up. And I'll bring this close up. So you see the imprint is still there because I lift it lightly and I just move the hair up like this, away from the imprint. And I just make sure I just pat lightly because I don't want it all the way flat, you know. I just want it to have a shape. But this is what it looks like after I do that. See the hair? This is the hair. This is what it looks like. Now I'll show you the back. Thank you for requesting this video. I am glad that you did. I hope you like what I created and showed you step by step how I do it. And at the end of the day, I will either just slip on it like this and tomorrow morning I'll puff it back up, but I'll also put this just to give me back that shape. But other than that, this is it. If you don't have a headband, you can still get that shape. You just have to just lift it up and then push it back a little with your hand and just make sure you shape it up a little. But this is it. Very simple, easy look to go about your day. With the headband or without the headband. Natural hair is very hard to take care of, but you can make it easy. And I hope this easy step is something that you can incorporate in your natural hair journey. Take care, never give up, keep shining. Be that light that you want to see out in the world. You be that, and then others will reflect onto you. Take care. Bye-bye.